Hello, my name is Tia, and today I will be going through with you to show you how I install this 22-inch unit that I have purchased from Isee Hair. In this box, I received my 22-inch unit, along with a pair of lashes and a wig cap. The hair coming out of the box was initially very soft. It also came with 4 comb attachments and a wig band. This wig does come pre-plucked, however I will be going in this video just to take out a few more extra hairs. So first I'm going in and I'm removing all the comb attachments just because I feel like I don't need them for this install since I will be gluing down the wig. So next I'm going in with L'Oreal Quick Blue Bleach, a 40 developer, some brushes in a bowl, and plastic wrap with aluminum foil. For the Bleaching developer mixture, I just like to mix until I get a toothpaste consistency before going in and applying that all over the lace, paying extra special attention to the very front. When I am done, I cover it up with aluminum foil and let it sit for 25 minutes. Here you will see how the knots will look after being bleached. They should look very blonde and maybe even a little bit brassy. After rinsing the bleach off of my wig, I go in with a purple shampoo and let that sit for 5 minutes just to help with all the brassiness of the knots. I let it sit for 5 minutes before rinsing it out, and as you can see here, the knots are very blonde and very see-through. Here I am going in with some T-pins just to keep my wig secured. And I'm taking my Ion Color Brilliance in shades Jet Black and Midnight Blue Black. And I just mix that with the Salon Care 10 developer with a 1:1 ratio. I start with applying the dye from the back of the hair and at the very bottom and working my way to the top. I like to use a smaller comb just to get into those harder to reach areas, and taking extra special care when it comes to applying the dye to the hair on my lace front. I let the hair sit for 35 minutes before going in and rinsing it out. After rinsing my wig, I do like to go in with the Garnier Fructis Color Shield Color Safe Conditioner just to help my wig with any dryness it may experience from the dyeing process. I then go in with my Chi Heat Protectant and my Revlon Paddle Brush Hair Dryer, and I just like to speed up the drying process that way. After my hair is dried, I like to go in with Biosilk. This will help get my hair silky straight during my flat iron process. Here I'm using a hot comb just to push back all the hairs so I can go in and start plucking the hairline. Plucking my unit allows the hair to look less wiggy and have more of a natural look. When I'm finished, I just go in with my Lotta Body foaming mousse just to hold back all of my hair and keep it out of the way when it comes to the installation process. After applying my wig cap, because this one is much lighter than my natural skin tone, I do like to go in with a powdered foundation, and I like to apply that all over the wig cap as well as applying it directly on my wig's lace. The next thing I'm going to use is a cotton pad and alcohol to prep my forehead for the wig glue. My glue of choice is the Bold Hold Active, and I like to do 2 layers, but I do not go in with the second layer until the first is clear. A little hack that I learned is using the comb to push my lace into the glue instead of my fingers helps lessen the white residue. You're welcome. And to get that real scalp effect, I like to cut my lace in a jagged motion. And as you can see here, there's a lot of lace that was missed with the gluing process, so this is where I like to go in and just do a little bit of touch-ups. I found it a lot easier to go back in with glue and add it into all the spots I've missed versus putting on too much glue and having to go back in and clean all of that back up. So here I'm just going in with the EBIN Lace Bond Spray, and I just let that sit for 10 minutes with the elastic band. This really helps the lace melt into your skin. And this one I realized I didn't like the hairline on the wig personally for myself, and that I did need to go in and just customize it a little bit more. So I go in with my EBIN Lace Bond Spray again, just to help with lifting up the lace since it is dry to my skin, and go in again using a jagged motion with my scissors. The lace spray can be a little bit messy, so I always make sure to go back in with rubbing alcohol and just clean up any excess that is left on my skin. And just to perfect my part, I like to always go in with Lotta Body foaming mousse. It gives the perfect amount of hold for my hair. And here I'm going in with some hair scissors, and I'm just giving myself a blunt look. Just by trimming a little bit of excess at the bottom of my hair, I also did add in some face framing layers to help with making this unit look a lot more natural. Taking a random wax stick, I just like to go in and slick back all of those flyaways, combing it through, making sure it's evenly distributed before going in with my hot comb. This will literally melt the wax into my hair. I will have no flyaways, silky smooth and super flat. Lastly, I'm just going in with my flat iron and just bumping the ends of my wigs to give it more of a silk press look. It's so silky, it's so soft, the way that it's just flowing and laying down. I am in love. Okay guys, thank you so much for viewing my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you'd love to see more content like this in the future.